Okay, this short video that instruct you how to download and install Python, and I give you very simple program with the Python here, and give you some guideline how to work with interactive mode and how to work with the text editor mode here. So you click on download Python here, and I click on download this one, right? And I have here, and I click on install. I reinstall it over there. So when you're done with the install, right, you just go to run with the interactive mode here, right? So it's idle here. User put it idle, and if you want, you can open file location, and you can send it to desktop or shortcut here. So this one, I click on this one. So when you open the idle here, by the default, it works with the interactive mode. Interactive mode, that means it instantly run every command you run here. So think about, I have variable here, I assign the value of number 10, and I want to print it out, I have number 10 here, right? And if I want to assign the value y is at time 2 here, and I want to print it out y, I have number 20 here. Right? That is interactive mode. It instantly print it out the output for you. So it works very well with a simple program, but normally for complex programming, it's pretty better you work with text editor here. So in the case if you work with text editor, you click the new file, right? That is what it here, right? So think again for this program again here, right? For this program, you need to get input from user for number, and you want to double that number, right? So think this is a pseudocode, and I want to convert this one into the Python here. I want to convert this one into the Python, right? So see, the first step, I need to get input, and I want to store a variable my number, right? So I put my number here, my number. The name is my number. It's variable name, and I get it from user input, right? And I can put some text here to make it more sense. The prompt here, right? And okay. So that process, you get it from user and you store it into the variable my number here, right? But remember one thing is that everything you got it from input function, it's always in string format. And if you want to use operation with arithmetic operation here, you have to convert it into the number format, right? And here, think about, I can show you what is it here. When I work with shell here, right? So think about, I have here my number here. Now I enter the number 10, and now what happened here? I have y equal to I times 2 here. You see what happened, right? You cannot do it. Sorry, y equal to my number here. Y number times 2 here. Do it, right? And I print it out y here. You can see what happened here. So when I enter the number 10, and when I double number 10, I expect it is a number 20 here. But you see, it printed out 10, 0, 10, 0 here. So what does it mean? That means whenever you get input from user, by the default in string format. So what is string format? String format, that means literally it is a string number 10 here, right? So when you double it, that means you duplicate it here. That's why you have 10, 0, 10, 0. That is in string format by the default, right? So if you want to do anything with the number format, anything with the operation, arithmetic operation, remember that you have to convert it into the number format. And in the Python, normally you have two functions to convert it. The first one, it is int function here. Int function is converted in the integer format. That means the whole number. The second one is the float function. Float function is that converted into decimal format, right? Think about have 10.75 and something like that, right? So for this program here, whenever I get it from user, by it is string format, and I want to convert it into the number format. So I use the float here, and I put everything inside the float function. All right. So You see, that is a process. I get input here. I get input and I start in my number. Now the second step, I do operation here, assignment here, right? My answer here. What is it? I got it from my number. Here, number is that I just enter here. It can be number 10, number 20, and any number, right? And I double number 2. And the last thing, I want to print it out, right? I want to print out my answer here. See what happened when I run it here. Again, I want to save it here. Okay, see what happened. Enter the number 10. I have number 20 here, right? And if I run again, remember they are variable, so it's changeable. I can enter any number here. Number 150 here, I have 300 here, right? So that is very short video how to show you how to download, how to install Python, and how to work with very simple program with the Python here.